Hello. Carl has sent in a BC3000 Solectria battery charger for repair, or evaluation and repair, I guess. It is made by, however you pronounce that, Tongues Electronic. It's German, but of course it's rebranded as Solectria BC3000, really long serial number. It says 3 kilowatts. This says 144, 156 volt, 20 amp, and then it runs off 240 or 120, 16 or 12 amps. And it's set up for the gel cells. Yeah, so we're gonna see what's wrong with it, whether it works or not. One interesting thing is one wire is broken in the temperature sensor here. So if that's all that's wrong, that'd be awesome. Just pop that pin out, which would be difficult because these are weather packs and they don't have a pin extraction tool for it, so I'll have to cram something in there, try to get that out. But he did include this, which is needed because it's got a different connector on it. Look at all the other BC3300s, I use this one, and with my little cheater resistors in there to fake out the temperature sensors, and of course different kind of plug. Square plug won't go in round hole. So luckily we got this, so I should be able to plug it in and test it out and see if we can fake out that. Go ahead and hook this up and see what we get. Let's leave this up here. This has a 240 plug on it, and I've got 240, so we'll hook that up to 240, and I know he's running 156 volts, so we will get the battery pack is currently on, looks like it's actually set up for 144 volts, so give me 1 second, and I'll be back. Okay, battery pack is now set to 156 volts, and just to double check, and run voltage rate, yep, 155.9. Okay, so should be good on that. Go ahead and plug it in here. And of course there might be a little spark. There will be a spark. There always is. Not too bad. Alright, so we've glued that together. One of these days I should put a real connector on there. So we got that hooked up. Next thing we need to do is gonna have to bypass the temp sensors here. So, trusty 47K resistors. Go ahead and cram the one in here. And then for this one, we'll just do, how are you going to do this? Go ahead and let me grab a jumper clip here and a pin of some kind. There you go, this will work. Resistor lead. And we'll go ahead and cram that in there. Yeah, that'll work. Do that. of broken wire. So that should bypass that. I'll set that down. So now we've got that hooked up. So all that's remaining is, of course, AC. Oh, you know what, before I do that, let's see if we can get this on camera still. Oh, it wants to flip over. And that's what solder's for. Except you can't see any lights on it now. Okay. Just good enough. There you go. Okay, here we go. Moment of truth here. Hey. That actually looks like it works. Now my battery pack is pretty crappy. It's made out of retired truck batteries, so it wouldn't surprise me if the voltage is really... That's why it charged up instantaneously, right? Tried to put that over there. Let's see what we're putting out here. Yeah, 180 volts. So, this doesn't have a serial port or a monitor on it, so you can't see what it thinks it's doing, but I would say that that's doing pretty good. I could put a load on the battery pack just to load check it, which I'll probably do. And as right now, oh, it's putting out 4 amps. Let's see. So we're putting 4.3 amps in. So yeah, I think it's actually working. I think all that was wrong was that that broken wire. Every once in a while I luck out. I can go ahead and, I guess I could simulate the failure here by unplugging it. So I'll go ahead and blank it. Well, it kept on working, so, huh. Is that one not even used? Oh no, there it goes. I know it had us an error. Just took it a while. It's probably doesn't like that it's floating. Yeah, now it's got a warning on it. So if I were to unplug it now, and then plug it back in, what would it do? Does it start up? It does. No warning. What if I go with the other one? See, now it gives an error. I wonder if it's outputting anything. And it's in this error state. Uh, 177, yeah, so I think that's probably the floating voltage. Let's see if I unplug it here. Is that what we end up with? Nope, it was actually outputting stuff. So maybe it just thinks it's overheated, or one of the battery packs is overheated, and that's why it wasn't charging. It definitely lowered the voltage. But yeah, that might be all that's wrong with it. I will see if I can extract that pin And let's go ahead and unplug this. I feel really bad for Carl. I've had this charger for a while. I kept getting sick. And if all that's wrong with it is that the wire is broke on there, then yeah, that's a pretty simple repair here. Well, I say that, but I'll probably jinx myself because these weather packs are pretty notoriously difficult to actually get out. Let's just see what we can do here. So I gotta get this pin out of here. Let's flip that around. And what do I got here? Pair of tweezers here. Go ahead and see if we can't pull that out. Maybe. No, I'm not gonna do it with that. Let's try. There we go. Here, let's see. Whoever designed these things. There we go. Okay. So there's the grommet. Well, the wire didn't actually broke. It just slipped out. Can you see down in there? It just slipped out of the crimp. It was just a bad crimp. So the question is, how do you get that out? Normally, these weather packs, there's a circular pin extraction tool. There's a couple little prongs on either side that you have to push in to get it, and it goes out that way, so it comes out the back. But yeah, I don't have that. So we are going to try to do it with, I could try this. I don't think I get down in there. So if you look, there's a little line. That's the seam where it gets punched and rolled. And the two pins are on either side of that. And this, yeah, that's too thick. So it needs to be pretty thin. Let's see, what do I got around in here? I might be able to do it with a couple needles. I've got safety pin. So we'll go ahead and see if that's even going to be long enough. I can look down in there and see if I'm actually hitting the little thing. Ooh, you know what? That's not, I don't think that's actually going to be long enough, but I'll try it. Got another one here. Yep, that's going to be too tight a fit, I think. Nope, that's not going to work. Shoot, I have no idea how I'm going to get that out of there then. Unless it just magically works out. Well, I got it to go that far. Wouldn't this be awesome if it just popped right out? Yeah, you're right. Nope, these guys aren't long enough. Yeah, it'd be amazing if that would just come out. Yeah, if they only made it where there's a notch so you could spin it and just pop right out, that'd be great, but they don't. Nope. What else do I got that's long enough to go in there? screws barely fit. Let's see. What else do I have? Okay, new top, new try. An LED. See if we can't get that to work. Cut both pins to the same length. And then, let's see if we can't get that to do something here. Okay, rotate this around. Splay that out a little bit. This is totally not going to work either. I don't think I can get it in there. Oh wait, you know what I could do? Where'd those go? Could use these to... I forget to make sure I'm on the right one. Go through that and extract the wrong side. So do that. Go ahead and see if we can get that down in there. Oh. Let's see. Oh, we might actually do this. This might actually work. Oh, this is going to be awesome if this actually works. This will be impressive. Oh! No. Nope. Not happening. I really need the extraction tool. Oh, no, I bent up my LED. No, they're just two little pins on the sides that just need to be pressed to get it to pop out. Man, and I can't, it's not like I can go in there and solder it while it's in this housing, it'll just melt it. I don't want to booger up the pin because I don't have any other pins. I don't know. I can't even tell if they're pressed or not. I don't think this is going to work. It moves around. I wonder if I just need to... Not coming out. I don't know how else to get that out of there. Need one of those little, like a brass tube that's exactly the right size, but I don't have anything like that just to pop it out. Yeah, I'm looking around, I don't see anything other than what I've tried. Yep, I don't know. Not sure how to get that out of there. Yeah, it's definitely locked in there really well. Huh. Pin extraction tool is what I need. I don't got one. Alright, I'm gonna pause and look around, see if I got anything.